Check this bad boy out. We've got yet another tailgate rig rolling out shop today. This one's got the 500-gallon offset, adjustable charcoal grill, tons of storage space, roof, fold out awnings. I mean, guys, it's got it all. So let's get into it. Now, this rig we built for my man, Drew Hammer, with Drew Hammer LLC, big construction guy. And I guess he's gonna take this rig, cook for all his guys, cook for all his clients out there. Smart move, Drew. Most of those guys love barbecue, I'll tell you. I know that for a fact. So guys, obviously on the trailer package, it's got our roof and fold out awnings. Not just that, he's got a custom powder coat color. So this trailer, whole trailer, roof, everything's all powder coat finish. We got that custom blue on there for him, really come out sharp. We did all his logos and his smoker in this slick charcoal gray. Got to have a little bit of signage on there. Now up first, we got our 40-inch charcoal grill. All right, now this has got the slick round bar grate on it. We'll open it up, and it's got the adjustable charcoal grate in here, so you can raise and lower your charcoal grate. Lets you get just the perfect sear on that steak, guys. Slow cook it for a little while, raise that fire up, get a good sear on it. Makes it very versatile, fun to cook on. That's a great cooker there. Now next to that, you gotta have somewhere to set your food when you get done cooking it. So we got you a folding stainless shelf. So that folds up, boom, prep off of it, set down to keep it warm, right next to your 500-gallon pit as well. Like I mentioned, this has got our custom paint on it, picked a slick charcoal gray. This is our standard 500-gallon setup here, 2 sliding top racks, 3 racks on the bottom. Bottom racks are removable. He did have us add a big boy grease drain down there as well. The counterweights are standard on the 500. TMG pits tell truth thermometers. Now what's not standard is this badass wheel and tire package. So we got the Raceline wheels, machine finish, 14 ply tires, stainless steel fender toppers as well. So we got that stainless and blue look going. Really come out sharp. Come around to the firebox on the 500. Y'all know the deal by now. Fully insulated firebox. When I say fully insulated, all right, the door's insulated, front of it's insulated as well. We got a 3/8 thick pipe. It's wrapped with insulation. Let me tell you something. She's insulated, all right? Holds heat great. Makes this pit very easy to run. Now on our storage back here, Drew had us do a couple of special things. First off, we have the rear fold down, so that way you got your top all loaded up with stuff. Boom, you can still get into all your storage. He also had us raise the storage up, make it a little taller. He's got some coolers and some warmers he's trying to fit in here. So we did that for him, no problem. Guys, that's the nice thing about us building all these trailers in-house and designing it for you. We can get it just the way you like it. So ton of storage room through here. And then we've got our toolbox set up here. So you got a really slick waterproof toolbox here, a couple drawers that slide out. That setup's nice. You want to help keep everything organized in there and watertight. This is the way to do it right here. Then underneath that, we got a little extra storage. This right here is good for folding tables. Small stuff goes way back in there. It's also got storage behind the toolbox as well. Guys, y'all that do this for a living know you can never have enough storage space on your rig, so we knocked that part out. Of course, he's got the matching spare tire up here as well. Fold this awning down right here, y'all see that. Check out that charcoal gray. So they are strut assisted. The struts have locks on them. Folds down, locks in place, ready to go down the road. So guys, that is my man Drew's 500-gallon tailgate rig rolling out of the shop. Y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.